Your synthetic oil can go bad well before the change interval, and 3 specific signs will tell you it's happening if you know what to look for. Most truck owners check their oil level on the dipstick, but never look past the level indicator, and they miss the early warnings that could save them from an engine repair bill. If your truck has been running the same oil for more than a few months, and you haven't looked at it carefully, pull over to the next rest stop. Check these 3 things I'm about to describe, and you'll know within 2 minutes whether your oil is still doing its job or whether it's time to change it early. Sign number 1 is oil that looks milky or foamy on the dipstick. This one is urgent enough that if you see it, you should not drive your truck another mile until you understand what caused it. Milky oil, oil that looks like coffee with cream mixed into it, rather than a uniform dark brown or black, is telling you that coolant is mixing with your oil. That happens when a head gasket is failing, when an intake manifold gasket develops a leak, or, in rare cases, when a cracked block or cylinder head allows coolant passages to communicate with oil passages. Water in engine oil is catastrophic. Water does not lubricate. It displaces the oil film between metal surfaces and causes metal-on-metal contact. It also creates acidic compounds when combined with combustion byproducts, which attack bearing surfaces and accelerate wear dramatically. Milky oil at any stage of the change interval is not an oil chemistry problem. It's a coolant intrusion problem that requires diagnosis before you drive any further. Check your coolant level when you see this, and get the truck to a trusted mechanic. Sign number 2 is oil that smells like fuel. Specifically, oil that has a strong gasoline odor when you pull the dipstick and hold it close to your nose. Fuel dilution in engine oil happens when liquid gasoline passes through the piston rings into the crankcase, rather than burning in the combustion chamber. It happens in short-trip driving, where the engine never fully warms up, and unburned fuel condenses in the crankcase. In engines with injector issues that cause fuel to drip past the injectors at shutdown. And in direct injection engines under specific operating conditions. Fuel in the oil dilutes the oil's viscosity, reducing its film strength below specification. An oil that smells significantly of gasoline has been thinned by fuel to a degree that compromises its protection, regardless of where you are in the change interval. If you detect a strong fuel odor on the dipstick, change the oil immediately. If the problem returns on the next fresh fill, you have an injector or combustion issue that needs diagnosis. Sign number 3 is oil that has become noticeably thinner at room temperature. Oil that runs off the dipstick like water rather than dripping slowly like healthy oil should. You can check this by pulling the dipstick, wiping it clean, and watching how the fresh oil runs off the dipstick when you hold it vertically. Healthy full synthetic oil in the 5W30 or 5W20 range should run off slowly, taking a second or 2 to drip at room temperature. Oil that has been severely sheared, had its viscosity broken down mechanically by extended operation in a high-load engine, will run faster, more like water. Viscosity breakdown is the most common form of oil degradation in hard-use applications. It happens when the viscosity modifier additives in the oil are sheared apart by the mechanical forces of engine operation, and it's accelerated by towing, high RPM operation, extended intervals, and high ambient temperatures. If your oil looks and feels much thinner than fresh oil from the bottle, it has lost part of its film strength and should be changed before you continue driving under load. One practical addition to those 3 signs: A dramatically rapid darkening of the oil. Fresh synthetic oil is golden amber and darkens naturally as it picks up combustion byproducts in service. That's normal and expected. What's not normal is oil that turns completely black within the first 500 to 1,000 miles of a fresh change. Extremely rapid and complete darkening can indicate excessive blow-by, combustion gases passing the piston rings and contaminating the oil, or an engine that has significant internal carbon and sludge deposits that are immediately contaminating the fresh oil. If your oil is completely black within 1,000 miles of a fresh change, have your engine inspected before extending the change interval to its normal endpoint. Now, the situation where most people don't check these signs until it's too late is on trucks that sit for extended periods. If your truck sat in the garage for 3 months over the winter, and you fire it up in spring, pull the dipstick and look at all 3 signs before you take it on a long drive. Oil that sat cold for months is a different story than oil in an actively driven vehicle. The smell test is especially useful on a truck that sat. Fuel and water accumulation during storage can show up in the oil. I've dropped links to the oils I recommend in the right viscosities for common truck engines in the description below. So when you do find it's time to change, you know exactly what to grab. Next time, I'm putting AMSOIL Signature Series against Royal Purple to find out which premium oil deserves your money in 2026. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.